just did a video. I said, let me do this one. So my stinker butt is not feeling well, and so I'm going to make her some elderberry, clove, and green tea and cinnamon with ginger. So let me show you how I do it. So I have water here, and I'm going to put the elderberry in it, some green tea, clove, cinnamon. This is Ceylon cinnamon. Now I want this to really get all the stuff out and be strong, so that's why I'm doing it over the stove. No microwave, y'all. I usually do my French press, but that's if I'm gonna make a cold tea and I wanna let it sit in the refrigerator. I'm gonna make a lot. So this is her tea, and I'm gonna put ginger in it. Gonna cut a little chunk of this. I'm gonna use my shredder. See that nice thin pieces? Forgot the honey, so we're gonna put some honey in here and some lemon. Was gonna be a short, but if your kids have a cold or feel like they coming down with some symptoms, lemon juice. Okay. I am so a stickler for home remedies, like seriously, doing natural stuff. And then this is going to drain the tea, so I don't have to literally put it all in there. But what I will do is get my ginger and lay it in there. I want that ginger in there, so she can definitely get that inside her body, the effects of it. And there she has it. I already stirred everything up, and I'll leave this in here to let it continue to be strong, and she could just remove it as she sips it. Talk to me in the comments. I'll talk back. What is your remedy for colds or when the seasons change and people get stuff in your home? Talk to me in the comments. I'll talk back. Later, Gators.